hot hatchbacks are the ideal only car. So today we're going to make full use of this hot hatch. Later today we're going down to the recycling centre. We're going to fill the boot of this car with crap as if it were a van. I've got about 2 hours to kill until the recycling centre opens. So what I figured I'd do is have a quick look on Google Maps, find a good driving road, and go and send the car. Ah, yes. But first, we're going to shoot off, we're going to grab some petrol, we're going to talk a little bit about this car's fuel economy, practicality, road manners, and just how easy it is to live with on a day-to-day basis. Just look at this. 30 miles to the gallon over the last 6,673 miles. And that's with a relatively slow average speed, 25 miles an hour. 30 miles to the gallon for a car with 300 horsepower, and considering the fact that that 6,600 miles actually includes a track day, countless hours of just sending the car down B roads, I think that's actually pretty respectable. Just listen to how refined this car is at speed. It's quiet. I can whisper in here and you can still hear me. It's just a comfortable place to travel and spend time. It's just nice. It's easy. It's refined. This is the beauty of a hot hatch. I'm a 5'11", slightly large dude, and this passenger seat is in the exact same position as my driver's seat, and I can fit behind myself absolutely fine. These seats are even a little bit buckety, so if you want to go sending it with 4 people in the car, you absolutely can. But it's a perfectly fine place to spend time. I've got a decent amount of headroom, I've got acceptable amounts of legroom, and you've got to remember, the Megane RS is probably the most compromised hot hatch. The rear seats are a little bit smaller than most hot hatches because of that 4-wheel steer system behind you at the rear wheels. We do have Doris here in her Honda Jazz. These things happen. And if I was in an out-and-out sports car, if I was in an MX-5, Aston Martin, Vantage, BMW Z4, I would be frustrated right now. But I'm not. I'm chilling, I'm comfortable, I'm warm. Once I turn off the camera, I can listen to my music. The stereo in here is fantastic. I've got my heated seat on. I'm just traveling. And this is the beauty of a hot hatch. It's just a normal car. Yes, the new ones, they've got a bit of poke to them. They've got a bit of power, they've got a bit of performance. And when you get on the right road at the right time, you'll love your life. It's amazing, it's great. But equally, when you're stuck behind Doris and you're just driving to where you're trying to get to, it's just a comfortable little cruise. It's just relaxed. It's just easy. It's just nice. We should probably also talk about manual versus automatic hot hatches. I know this is a controversial topic, so I would say please don't bite my head off in the comments, but you guys are going to bite my head off anyway. A manual hot hatch adds a little bit of something. It adds a little bit of special sauce. It adds a bit of enjoyment. When you're on that right road at the right time, it gives the car character and it's more fun and it's more engaging. And I love manual hot hatches. Sometimes I wish this car was a manual. An automatic hot hatch, especially a DCT one like this, just biases the car slightly towards the everyday category. And it just makes driving so much easier when you're not having a hoon. When you're stuck behind Doris in her Honda Jazz and you're just trying to get to where you're getting to. And then if you get a DCT one, when you put it in manual mode and you want to have a little bit of fun, you can. It gives you the best of all worlds without giving you that ultimate driver involvement that the manual might give you. And this is the beauty of a hot hatch. You've got the big brakes, you've got everything that you need. If you want to have a little bit of fun. Second gear pulls. You've got all the power, the grip. It's just lovely. This is what we came here for. See, it's the duality of these cars that make them so fantastic. It's the fact you can take all your rubbish to the recycling dump, and you can get out on a B road or a track day and have a ton of fun. There is nothing that these cars cannot do. Look at the sat-nav screen. Oh, we're having some fun today, boys. It's got a lot of elevation and stuff. Look at that. Bye. Later today, I'm gonna fill the boot with crap as if it was a van. But I'm driving it right now as if it's a sports car. I mean, look at the steering response. You just need that much steering. Look at the road. I'm having a great day today. Fez. Fucking dickhead. He just kept going as if he owned the road. He didn't die, thankfully. Let's go. Ah, this road is so nice. Reduce speed now are my favorite signs. That looks like a demonic corner, doesn't it? And I honestly think in like a big powerful rear wheel drive car, you would have moments around here where you were like, I'm not sure if I should really squeeze the throttle as hard as that, and you'd be umming and ahhing. I could squeeze the throttle as hard as I like. I've got great tyres on the car. It's front wheel drive, so I mean, even in the middle of a corner, the worst that's going to happen is I'm going to wash a little bit wide. I'm not really going that fast anyway. There's just so much safe, fun and enjoyment that you can have with a hot hatch, especially if you get something like an S3, Golf R, RS3, something that's four-wheel drive. And then you've got another added layer of fun because on the power, you just can't get unstuck. It's like, it's just so good for road driving. Now, yes, those cars have some issues. Golf RS3, all of the VAG products, they have slightly numb steering and they don't communicate with you and they're not as involving. But any hot hatch can do this. I mean, you could get a Fiesta ST150 from like a million years ago, and that would be just as fun around here. You'd be rowing your own gears, and you could still put the back seats down, fill it with crap, and take it to the recycling centre. And you know the coolest part? When you come back into a little town, you can go down here, put your car back in regular mode, right? Put it in auto, and then it's just a normal Megane. You just drive to the shops or wherever the hell it is you're going. It's ridiculously good at being a car. The beauty of a hot hatch is the duality between having an out-and-out sports car that can do sports car things and having a van that you can pack full of stuff and take to the recycling centre when you need to. It's time to fill the boot of this Megane RS and take it to the recycling dump. Here you can see just how full the boot is. But to be honest, it absolutely swallowed up this old TV box and a bunch of other stuff that I'm just taking out to be recycled. It's a really, really usefully large size. Party in the front with the big Alcantara buckets, and business in the back with all the boxes and everything that I had to take down to the recycling dump. It's just such a practical car. Do you know what's really funny? Going down to the recycling and seeing all these people with their SUVs and their big cars, and they've got their boots open. So I just took a little peek as I was walking past some of them, and I noticed that they don't even have more space than me. I mean, they've got like Nissan Qashqais and Honda CR-Vs, and to be honest, when they fold the back seats down, the room's a little bit taller, but it's not that much bigger, to be honest. It's actually really, really similar. Just get a hot hatch. It's a no-brainer. And those guys are miserable every day because they have to drive a Nissan Qashqai. Oh, there's so many nice hot hatches at every budget. They're just phenomenal cars. You should probably get one. So the day is done and you guys have seen just how good a hot hatch can be. There is nothing that these cars cannot do, and there is nothing that these cars cannot do well. The car was so much fun on a back road. I had a ton of fun, enjoyed it. It sounds great, it stops great, it turns great. It's just a laugh to pilot down a back road. And then, fair enough, I didn't have the largest items, but the boot swallowed a 43-inch TV box. If it was a 55, or to be honest, even a 65, it would have fit. And that's just amazing. It's so practical, it's so useful, it's so nice to live with. I'm honestly of the opinion that if you're gonna have one car, it should be a hot hatch. The beauty of a hot hatch. What the fuck am I doing? Is that the intro? I think that is the intro. Is that the thumbnail? I think I need to take a thumbnail. People probably think I'm fucking insane. If you enjoyed my ramblings and want to learn more about this car, click the video up here. And if you want to get faster and better at driving, click the video up here.